It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Monday, the 23rd of March. I'm James Spann. The clearing progressing along very slowly, but we should be dry for the next couple of days and potential for a late season freeze this weekend. That's the big headline. Let's go in there and check things out. Got a dry northwest flow aloft. That'll help keep us quiet for the next couple of days. The wave that brought the rain over the weekend is now east of the state. That's a visible satellite view about 2 o'clock, and you can see the far northern part of the state with a sunny sky, but clouds are hanging tough elsewhere, but those clouds will gradually thin out tonight. Where the sun is shining, it's low 70s are on the board. Look at Huntsville. They're the warm spot. They've got 73. It's only 62 at Montgomery and 57 at Auburn. Birmingham at 65, but everybody should be in the 70s tomorrow and Wednesday. Up north, pretty cold air around the Great Lakes. They're below freezing this afternoon, and we're going to feel that late this week and over the weekend. The old late season cold snap. We always get a few every year. Pretty quiet around the nation today on the watch warning map. Hardly any significant problems. There is a marginal severe weather risk for today and tonight for parts of Kansas, some of the adjacent states. And then the standard slight risk tomorrow. This is day 2. This would include places like Tulsa, Fayetteville, Fort Smith, and Springfield, Missouri. And then on day 3, which is Wednesday, the standard slight risk from near Wichita Falls and Abilene, Texas, up through Oklahoma City, Tulsa, Fort Smith, St. Louis, and over into southern Illinois. But no severe weather expected here this week. And again, the rain not overly impressive on this chart. This is the QPF chart coming from WPC. This is the rain through Saturday morning. And really, this is suggesting barely enough rain to measure, basically under 1/10 of an inch. And we'll see a little bit late Thursday night or Friday, but probably not much. All right, model fans, here's the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at noon. Kind of a zonal flow across the southern states, got troughing over the high plains. And for us, the day should be dry. Mixture of clouds and sunshine with low 70s. Both the NAM and the GFS are at 72 tomorrow. Wednesday, moisture levels increase a little bit, but we'll leave the forecast dry. Maybe some rain east of the state over Georgia, where Atlantic moisture is pushing in. Highs mid to upper 70s. Hey, the NAM is at 79 on Wednesday, pushing 80. The GFS showing 75. Thursday, cold front coming in from the north. And again, that could bring the risk of a few showers during the day, especially Thursday afternoon. The high will be around 70. This is Thursday night at midnight. You can see just a little decaying band of showers. Nothing too impressive. And then Friday will be noticeably colder. A good cold air advection look there. A stiff north wind. Highs only in the 50s. Sky may be cloudy at times. And there's the upper chart. Yeah, buddy, come on now. That's a cold look there for the east. And then this is Saturday. Look at that. This is Saturday at 1 o'clock. And the GFS is suggesting some light snow is possible from near Muscle Shoals up to Memphis and into central Missouri. Come on now. And then 7 o'clock Saturday night, maybe a touch of light rain and a snowflake or two over far north Alabama. Not going to get too excited about that yet, but Saturday sure looks like kind of a raw, cold day. We might get up in the low 50s, but many places north of Birmingham will likely stay in the 40s all day. Clouds, a little light rain, drizzle, maybe a snowflake or two Saturday morning. It's not exactly going to feel like a spring day. And then this is Sunday morning at 7 a.m. And you can see that red line, that's the freeze line, just about down to Birmingham. And that is when there is a very real chance of a late season freeze early Sunday. So just be aware of that. We'll tweak the numbers and temperatures as we go along, but it's going to be very chilly. The good news, Sunday should be a mostly sunny day. And after we have that cold start, we should wind up in the 60s Sunday afternoon. Here's a look at the numbers coming off the ensembles. You can see the cold snap this weekend, the guidance there for Birmingham. And again, this is ensemble data, getting us down to 34 on Sunday. The deterministic runs at times have gotten us down into the 20s on Sunday morning. So growers beware. And then Monday of next week, start to warm up a little bit. The high should be back up around 70. Moisture starts to increase, but I still think that day will be dry. We'll check the end of the forecast. This is the 2nd of April, out there toward the end of next week, Thursday, April 2nd. The flow is somewhat zonal, and that looks relatively quiet and mild. if this happens to be correct. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream of the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.